You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in Highland Park and we're checking out Jugos Azteca.
So this place is known for ceviche, bomb-ass agua fresca, and a bunch of other stuff. Come join us.
Let's go. Alright, so we're here in Highland Park and we're at Jugos Azteca and they got a huge menu, man. They got some good looking food.
Place is popping on this Saturday. Like it was pretty packed earlier. It's still kind of packed. People rushing in here and there. But they got awesome looking food. I'm not gonna lie. Like straight up awesome looking food.
And one of the best things is they're very price friendly. Like you'll get stuff for like less than $7. And you'll get full. So that's cool.
Yeah, Fridays they offer like tostada with like ceviche on it for like $1.50. Their shrimp cocktail stuff's like $6. I mean, they're super friendly with pricing, man. And they got some awesome drinks. As you can see in front of us, we got their mango nada. So shit looks good. We got some agua fresca. This is I think guava orange. This one is watermelon, and this one is cucumber lemonade.
And if you want to stay away from the sugar and you just want straight green juice, they got that too. But they even gave us like an LA street dog, and they put avocado on that thing.
We got some pumbasa right here. So this is pretty much a torta dipped in salsa.
And then we got these super nachos right here. Look how stacked that is, right? And these aren't the little shrimp, these are the big shrimp, so they don't skip out. Oh. And this is their shrimp tostada.
This is their, well, they called it like a super tostada.
It has crab meat, shrimp, more shrimp on top, avocado, and it's a cucumber sauce on it too, so.
King tostada, whatever it was called.
Yo, yeah, the queen, that's what he called it, queen tostada. And also, besides the $1.50 tostadas that they have on Fridays, make sure that you follow them on their social media, just because they do these pop-up specials too. And their social media is lit, by the way. I've never had a street dog with avocado. This is the first time. They got generous servings, man. Ooh, this is good.
Our money.
I want to try the super nacho right now.
The drinks are super refreshing, man. Well, I'm gonna try the pumbazo. This is a dip torta.
That's a thick sandwich, man. You can share with like 2 people.
Well, why would you want to?
Oh, mine. Ooh.
And they got like super homemade sauces. Like they look like they're homemade, man. They got this thing right here. Straight from the Sinaloa. I do want to try this though. I love hot sauce. Man, let's try it. Give this a whirl. Let's see. Ooh, they use like legit cheese whiz.
Oh, this is good.
I've never had nachos with shrimp in it.
I need nachos with shrimp in them all the time now, after today. Queen tostada. So this is one of their most popular items during the summertime, especially since it's hot right now. It's a nice, light, refreshing meal. Oh, that's good.
That is so good.
It just tastes so fresh. And they got good hours too. They open like at 7 a.m. till like 9 p.m.
6 a.m. I think. So they give you 2 tostadas so you can crack and like dip it in there. So you do this right here. And you need hot sauce. I'm gonna start with hot sauce. Try this out. So this thing has fish, shrimp, tomato, and it's got this like cucumber sauce, he said. And then I'm gonna top
And
it
then
off
more
with
shrimp
this.
on top.
That's so good.
Stop by, grab a drink, and then you should really go inside and get some food because their
No, you
food
should
is
come
bomb.
here, period.
Yeah.
No matter.
Even if you're far, take that trip. Come here.
It's well worth it. Food's amazing. Super friendly pricing. A little hard to see on the street because they're covered by a tree.
Yeah.
But they're literally on the corner. Oh yeah, it's York and what's that?
We're gonna put their address in
Yeah.
the description below. You can Google Maps it, and then you can find it.
Shit, and this guy still uses a Thomas guide, just to let y'all know. He's the only person I know that still go on to mapquest.com.
This place is bomb. Come check them out. Also, let us know what other spots you want us to hit up in the comments below, and we'll come check it out for you.
And make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get more videos just like this one.
Share this with your family and friends, because they'll love it.
Catch you on the next one. Peace.